Comfortable indoor airflow is essential for maintaining a healthy, pleasant home, especially in Covington, where humidity, warm summers, and mild transitional seasons make proper ventilation a top priority. That's why many local homeowners continue to choose double-hung windows when upgrading or replacing their windows. Known for their flexible design and reliable performance, double-hung windows offer one of the most effective ways to improve airflow without sacrificing energy efficiency or style. Here's why double-hung windows are a preferred choice for better ventilation in Covington homes. Dual sash design creates natural air circulation. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their ability to open from both the top and the bottom. This unique feature allows homeowners to take advantage of natural convection airflow. With double-hung windows, you can open the bottom sash to let fresh air enter, open the top sash to release warm, stale air, open both sashes to create continuous circulation. This airflow pattern helps cool indoor spaces naturally, making homes feel fresher and more comfortable, especially during Covington's warmer months. Improved comfort without relying on AC. Covington homeowners often experience periods when outdoor temperatures are pleasant, but indoor air feels stagnant. Double-hung windows allow homeowners to ventilate efficiently without immediately turning on air conditioning. Benefits include reduced reliance on HVAC systems, lower energy usage during mild weather, faster cooling of indoor spaces, more consistent airflow throughout the home. This makes double-hung windows a smart choice for homeowners who want comfort without unnecessary energy costs. Better humidity control for healthier living spaces. Humidity is a common concern in Covington homes, particularly during summer. Without proper ventilation, excess moisture can build up indoors, leading to discomfort and potential mold growth. Double-hung windows help by allowing humid air to escape through the upper sash, encouraging airflow that dries indoor spaces, reducing condensation on walls and surfaces, supporting healthier indoor air quality. This makes them especially useful in kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry areas. Safe ventilation options for families. Many Covington homeowners appreciate that double-hung windows offer safer ventilation than other window styles. By opening only the upper sash, families can enjoy airflow while keeping the lower portion closed and out of reach for children or pets. This design improves ventilation without compromising safety, maintains secure locking systems, provides peace of mind for families. It's a practical solution for bedrooms and living spaces alike. Easy operation encourages daily use. Windows only improve ventilation if they're easy to open, and double-hung windows are designed for smooth, simple operation. Modern versions glide easily and stay in position when opened. Homeowners benefit from smooth sliding sashes, tilt-in features for easy cleaning, durable balance systems that support frequent use. Because they're convenient, homeowners are more likely to open them regularly, leading to better airflow and fresher indoor air. Flexible placement throughout the home. Double-hung windows fit well in nearly every room, making them ideal for whole home ventilation strategies. Covington homeowners commonly install them in living rooms and family rooms, bedrooms needing balanced airflow, kitchens where odors need to escape, bathrooms where moisture control is important. This versatility allows homeowners to improve airflow throughout the entire house, not just in select areas. Ventilation without sacrificing energy efficiency. While ventilation is important, Covington homeowners also want windows that seal tightly when closed. Double-hung windows provide strong insulation when shut, preventing air leaks and maintaining indoor comfort. Energy-efficient features include tight weather-stripping insulated frames, low E-glass options. This balance of ventilation and efficiency makes double-hung windows a reliable year-round solution. A ventilation solution Covington homeowners trust. Double-hung windows continue to be a favorite among Covington homeowners because they deliver dependable, flexible ventilation without compromising safety, comfort, or energy efficiency. Their dual sash design, ease of use, and versatility make them one of the best window styles for improving airflow in everyday living spaces. If better ventilation is a priority for your home, double-hung windows offer a proven, practical solution that Covington homeowners rely on season after season.